Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to download and install Microsoft Power BI Desktop, a free software provided by Microsoft for business intelligence and reports development. Step 1, you just have to go to powerbi.microsoft.com. Once you are there, just click on Products and click on Power BI Desktop. Click on See Download or Language Options. Click on Download. There are two options available. One option is to download a 64-bit version. One option is to download a 32-bit version. Most of the operating system now are 64-bit. So we are going to download 64-bit version. Select this and click Next. The file is downloading. I'm going to click Run because I want to install it. File is downloaded, and now we have this installation wizard. Just click Next. Click Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Click Next. You can change the path over here if you want to. I'm going to keep it as it is. Click Install. Installation is now complete. To launch Power BI Desktop, click Finish. Power BI Desktop opens up. This is the splash screen, or the very first view you see of the Power BI Desktop when it is opened the very first time. If you need help, you can read what's new, Power BI blog, forums, and tutorials over here. You can sign in if you have an account. I will show you how to log in with an account. And when you want to start a Power BI Desktop report, you can get data here, or you can look at the recent sources here. I'm just going to close this splash screen for now. Just to give you a quick overview of Power BI Desktop. On the top, we have this ribbon. We will use all of these one by one. On the right side, we have visualizations. We'll talk about that. When we have a data set, all the fields of the data set will appear here. And as you can see on the left, we have different views of our data. We'll talk about that, how to create model. And in the bottom, we have different pages for our report. We can name these pages as well. I'll see you in the next video.